stock Subrosa arum. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it, 2015. Yeah, first off, I got my stock top load stem. Everything's stock pretty much except these friction brand plastic sleeve pegs, metal with plastic sleeves. Then I got ramp hubs with ramp rims. And I got ramp pedals with ramp cranks and a Subrosa chain and sprocket. Shadow Conspiracy seat post with the Subrosa seat. And I got Subrosa forks, Subrosa frame, Subrosa that thing. Yeah, whatever. And then I got Shadow Conspiracy grips with Shadow Conspiracy plugs. Yeah, this is my bike check. I haven't got nothing really on it, so it wouldn't be really much different. But it's an all-around good bike. All right, get this one right here. No, get this three. It's on three. Get that three over there.
Come around, hop up, and do it again.
All around good bike. Ah, shit!
Again.
I promise.
Go again. Go till you land it.
Dude, I'm about to cut all these tries out.
No, you're not, because it's all one clip.
I'm about to cut all these tries out. Don't race! Come on!
I know him.
No, that's dope, bro. Alright, guys.
About dang time.
That's the 2015 arum XL bike check. Big shout out to them, and make sure you get plastic sleeves. See ya.